Hello all, welcome to ATL Marathon 2023 to 2024. We are from the group Self-Sustain.
Our theme is inclusivity and the problem statement is develop a tool that helps students to manage their emotional and mental health. I am Aaryav Darla.
I am Vandan.
And I am Hridaan Kothari. We study in Excel Public School, Mysore, Karnataka, and we are here to present our project, Emo Guard, a DIY toolkit for emotional well-being.
Our journey began by recognizing the pressing need to address the emotional well-being of adolescents globally. Our primary research involved a comprehensive survey with a majority of responses from the age group 13 to 15. We discovered that while students face moderate academic pressure, there is a strong willingness to seek support from school counselors and teachers, emphasizing the importance of a supportive school environment.
In our secondary research, we explored factors impacting adolescent mental health, from genetic and biological elements to peer relationships, academic pressure, substance use, and socio-economic status. This comprehensive understanding guided us in creating a holistic solution.
Existing solutions were limited, but they inspired our proposed tool, the Emo Guard Emotional Well-Being Toolkit. The Emo Guard Emotional Well-Being Toolkit ensures inclusivity across age groups with age-appropriate content and diverse activities. It tackles academic pressure with tailored coping strategies and offers accessible support resources. Users can identify stressors for personalized stress management techniques. Inclusive activities cater to emotions like anger, loneliness, anxiousness, and stress.
The toolkit prioritizes a positive learning experience through engaging visuals and interactive elements, fostering empowerment among students. The Emo Guard Emotional Wellbeing Toolkit ensures inclusivity across age groups with age-appropriate content and diverse activities. It tackles academic pressure with tailored coping strategies and offers accessible support resources.
Users can identify stressors for personalized stress management techniques. Inclusive activities cater to emotions like anger, loneliness, anxiousness, and stress. The toolkit prioritizes a positive learning experience through engaging visuals and interactive elements, fostering empowerment among students.
The key features of our toolkit include age-appropriate content, coping strategies for academic pressure, accessible support resources, personalized stress management techniques, and an overall positive learning experience.
In conclusion, our research highlights the urgency of addressing the advanced emotional needs of students. The Emo Guard Toolkit stands as a practical and innovative solution to empower adolescents in managing their emotional well-being. Each team member played a crucial role in this project.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to empower adolescents. Together, let's make a significant difference in their emotional well-being.